Hey guys, this is Rafael from LA Hair Replacement, and I'm just doing this video to do a review about the LaVivid hair. I got their hair a few weeks ago, and I've been using for a long time already, and I definitely love the product. I used to use a different product before, and I got their hair piece, and it's so amazing. Really good quality. I highly recommend it. So I got dark brown. The color that I got in totally matches with my hair, and it's really good. So just gonna talk about my routine. I usually work out 5 or 6 days a week. So I work out a lot, and I go to the pool often. So the maintenance of the hair, it's still normal for me. I do pretty much every 2 weeks, that I have to take it off, clean, shave my head, and apply the hairpiece again. And it's really amazing quality. They work really well with the weather as well. I live in Los Angeles, and the quality is amazing. So if you guys are looking forward to buy their product, I highly recommend it. So, and also if you guys are looking forward to do the application in Los Angeles, you can hit us up on LA Hair Replacement, our Instagram, or yeah, text us, and then we can go from there. But I highly recommend the product, and as you guys can see, it looks super natural. What I love a lot about this product, it's because usually the previous hair replacement that I had, they actually lose a lot of hair. With like a week or two, you start seeing that they lose a lot of hair. And with this hairpiece of LaVivid, I can tell that they doesn't lose a hair a lot. So I'm using exactly for 2 months, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 2 months, and the quality is still amazing, and I definitely recommend the product. So if you guys have any questions, you can just comment below, or just can hit us up on LA Hair Replacement, and if you're looking forward to buy the product, just hit up on LaVivid, and they definitely have the amazing product, the right product for you. All right, thank you guys.